All right, I had the chance to visit Stillpoint Medicine in Citrus Heights. It is your one-stop shop for all of your medical needs, and they're home to a special laser that you can't get anywhere else in the Sacramento area. Take a look. We are talking about the Fotona laser. I'm at Stillpoint Medicine, Dr. Taber here to do a mock demonstration for us, and Dr. Newsyard, who came out from Dallas to give us all we need to know about how this works and why it is such a cool tool for doctors to be using these days. So great to have you with us. Let's just start with the basics. What is the Fotona laser? Well,
the Fotona laser is really some really exciting technology that came out 2016, January. Really exciting because it's a digital laser, completely upgradable, but it is allowing us as physicians to do things that nobody else can do. Like we could take periocular wrinkles, the little fine lines, make them disappear.
Well, I think most people would really be happy to see that happen. So this does things not only though to enhance, the face for people who are looking for a little bit of a change, but also the body. This thing works all over.
Oh my goodness. The science behind it makes it so possible for us to do things like we can do total body contouring, any part of the body. If we want to lower that ab fat, we can totally lower the ab fat. How about the inner thighs? We can take care of that. How about the neck? We call it the neglected neck. Everybody wants Botox and everybody wants to tighten up the face.
Yep.
Well, when we do that, the neck looks worse.
It's true. If you're going to go for one, you might as well
do them both. So
and this can do that.
This laser can do that. This laser does so many things. Onychomycosis, toenail fungus.
Okay.
We can get rid of that too.
Now, in just one treatment.
One treatment.
One treatment.
One and done.
So that's the other thing people want to know. How many treatments do I need to get for this to really make an impact or a difference that I'm going to notice? And is it painful? Is it, is it non-invasive? All those kinds of questions. Maybe you could fill us in on that and the risks.
Absolutely. First of all, there isn't a maximum amount of treatments. You can get as many as you want, like on body contouring. You're not done until you're happy. You're going to be done, right? That's when you're done.
Exactly.
Onychomycosis, usually it's a one and done. Get one treatment, that fungus is gone. Now you can reinfect if you don't take care of yourself and change your socks or change your pedicure place. But you could reinfect. But as far as skin tightening, we're still going to age. We can reverse it and we can tighten that skin to make it look really, really good. But we're still that new skin's gonna age. And so it's about maintenance, it's about taking up. Anybody that tells you that something's permanent, nah, not so much.
Not so much. And we're seeing here, just by looking at the machine and looking at this, it's just that small
handpiece, small, non-invasive. There's very, very little we do. The only thing that would be considered minimally invasive would be vaginal rejuvenation, feminine rejuvenation, things of that nature. But for the most part, everything is non-invasive, done outside the body, outside the face like that. We get these little smile lines. We can make those pop out. We can tighten up the neck, take 10 years off your face.
What are people saying about this? It's fairly new. You mentioned it's only been around a couple of years, not even. What are people saying? The people that are using this and getting the results?
They're ecstatic. They're addicted.
That's usually how it works, right, Dr. Taber? So people come, they start, and like you said, you're not happy until you're happy. That's when it's done. So you see people coming back and really enjoying the results.
I do. We have the reason Dr. Newsyard is here today is because we have a laser gala in which a lot of my patients are coming to see what is new and what can be different and kind of expand on their treatment options to help them get what they would like out of their cosmetic and
the whole thing. I mean, head to toe, this can really make a big change.
That's why I do it.
Well, let me also say, it's not just for women.
Well, let's get that in there.
It's not just for women. Everybody always wants to say, well, it's just for women. You know what? Every woman listening, I'm sure somebody in your family snores. We can eradicate that.
Oh, now you caught some people's attention.
Yeah, I'm sure we did. We can eradicate that. We can treat that soft palate, the uvula, the pillars, and we can tighten that tissue up, and obstructive snoring is gone.
With this laser.
With this laser. Not only that, we can also do hair restoration.
Look at that, for men and women. This next week, Dr. Taber is offering a free consultation. You can call the number on the screen to schedule. And there is the address for her office, 6545 Sunrise Boulevard, Suite 300. That's in Citrus Heights, 916-721-4760. You can also go to stillpointmed.com and find her on Facebook and Twitter at stillpointmed.